Here we are updating our Google. Why could Google go higher in price? Why could Google go higher in price? And why does Google have these bottom up ranges every time that Europe comes out with this contagion and they marked it down to 572? That was the week of 1023, and we went right up to 602.70. We made the highs from that markdown low. During this last week right here on 1030 with Europe's big thing, we were up here at 5. The low was 576 during the week, and we went up and we made a higher high, but once again from 576 up to 599.74. The weekly breakout with the earnings, the consolidation of the weekly levels up here. And why could Google go much higher? Because Google has a weekly buy signal. And every time that Google gets the dips with the weekly buy signal, buyers come in. And they come in big. And this big weekly breakout over here that everyone had Google left for dead was 523 to 599.60. That was on the week of 10/9 of 2011, October. We got to the high. 577 was a low here. 572 was a low here. And last week's low was 576. However, we're right back up here where the previous week's high was 602.70. And we had an intraday high on Google of around, let's see here, we had an intraday high of 599.74. Here's the Google level 2 chart, $48 million money flow. What we're looking for is that each time they shake down to those lows based on any headline events out of Europe, that we're always down here buying that markdown and taking that trade higher. Why does Google go higher? The weekly buy signal, it hasn't had one. And we were in this trade down here at the bottom into the earnings season, and we've done well. And the thing about it is, when you break a major resistance top, or what used to be major support level over here, that's when you look for that bigger breakout, and that Google trades up to the 607 handle, 605.50, 607, and then as we clear that 610.11, then we start working our way up to 617 and the 620 area right up here. That's going to be the next major wall of resistance. So when a breakout does break out of a weekly buy signal and you're up toward the high of the range and you close at 596.14, once you do break through that 602.70 on a weekly breakout, that's where you look for the price to really extend part of its new bull rally that it's in a shorter term to get back up to the 620 level moving forward in November.